My self-introduction. My name is Grishma. I am 6 years old. I live in Vijayawada with my family. I have no brothers and no sisters. My favorite color is red. I love to eat chicken. I like play jumping after school. My favorite subject is Hindi. I enjoy spending time with my beautiful mother. Thank you.